You're probably standing in the most advanced laboratory of its kind at the community college level in all of New York State. Our electrical technology AAS program began last fall. Students can either take what they've learned and apply it to a career immediately upon graduation, or they can transfer to a four-year institution to continue their studies in more advanced degree. It's modeled after the laboratory at Buffalo State, and we're very prideful of the amount of investment in this laboratory, and it's going to give students the opportunity to learn on state-of-the-art equipment in a hands-on fashion. The governor's made a goal to transition to smart grid technologies, and this program comes at the right time to prepare students for a number of emerging careers in a number of fields throughout the state. It's critically important because of not only rising energy prices, but the need to help remediate climate change within the state. The faculty in this program are trained electrical engineers who have experience, real-world experience, in smart grid applications. So they bring that level of experience to the classroom environment to make sure the students are properly prepared for the field. The electrical technology program should be an indication to everyone that Herkimer has its eye on the future and that our programs are cutting edge and always evolving.